Today on the Bulldog 3D, we'll be printing and assembling a katana blade. This prints in multiple parts. The reason for printing in multiple parts, so that if this section breaks, we can just print out this one section, or print out this one section. So here we go. End piece. Slide into there. This piece slides into there, and then this final piece slides into there. Then as we print, we had a brim. This is easily removed from the handle. This section slides into the handle. It only fits one way around. As you push through, the blade can extend. And there's a cap for the end here. Just take the brim off. Just push it on the end. And then there's a clip, that prints to secure the end cap. And there we have it. Simple toy. Thanks for watching. Links are in the description below. Please like and subscribe and comment. See you all next time.